Oh my god. Look at it. I can't wait. Finally was able to get in my car that I really want to get. So that's probably for future reference. Alright, so it's been a long time coming. A long time coming. I wanted this car since it first came out. And it took me this long to actually finally get it. But we got it. It's literally right in front of me. It's like right in front of me. It's like, it doesn't even feel real yet. Some people might say, "Oh, why did you get that car and not like this other car or other this or something else?" I don't know. I just always liked it. Just always did. It was always like a goal of mine. This was like a top tier car for me that I was like, wow, I really need this car. Actually, because of this car, I found my favorite YouTuber. You know, most people buy the car because of him, but I found him because of this car. But before we even show the reveal of it, I just want to say thank you guys. We just passed probably like 700 subscribers now. So, you know, much love. Thank you guys. Let's keep going. I don't want to stop here. But right now the Integra is currently down and I need a daily. So, you know, I needed to pull the trigger on it. And plus I need, you know, fresh content. We have 2 Integras on the channel. We're like, there's no point for that. Most of the time I don't even record for the second Integra, which is my girl's Integra, because I'm basically gonna do the same thing to mine. But anyways, in the link below, just do me a favor. My IG's down there. If you guys want to, you know, have like sneak peeks of anything that I do in the future, might as well follow me down there too. And you know, I'll have like updates and stuff like that down there as well. Sorry, these cars literally almost crashed right in front of me. But anyways, down there, the link, my Instagram, itza_project. Also, it takes 1 second. Just quick subscribe, really quick. 1, see, done. It didn't take that long. Just a quick subscribe to help me out and help us grow as a community. But too much talking, let me show you what we actually got. There it is. We got ourselves a 2013 Subaru BRZ Limited, and I drove all the way down to South Carolina to actually get this from a subscriber. So thank you. You know who you are. So there's small little things that I want to upgrade, like for example the headlights. They're a little bit foggy and like, you know, they're like OEM. I want, you know, some nice Valenti ones or whatever you call them with the nice little boomerang, you know what I'm saying? This car 100% needs a wide body, some bags, turbo kit, you know, the whole works. Maybe even supercharged. I don't know yet. You guys will see when we actually get there. But the car actually came with a lot of goodies already, which it came with wheels and tires. I think they're Advan wheels. It has BC coilovers. You heard that right. Even has over here the Valenti taillights. As you can see over here, they're even sequential. The turn signal. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. Here it is. Sequential. Nice, right? Feel like a Mustang now. I want to debadge it, as in like take the Subaru off. Probably keep the emblem, maybe keep the BRZ as well. But as you can already tell, I took it to his first car wash since I got it, and I've seen a lot of BRZs and FRSs and 86s do this a lot, which is, you know, condensation. But it's whatever. I'm gonna get new ones regardless. It has a full exhaust system on it, so it has Tomei unequal length headers, Tomei downpipe, and NVIDIA exhaust. And this is what it's like under the hood, right? You know, typical Subaru engine. It has like a cold air intake on it already, or like air box. I don't know whatever you want to call it. As you can see, the BC coilovers there. I don't know what's going on with this battery. It literally looks like it went through hell and back, but that needs to get fixed. But other than that, the car is actually really clean, in and out. Jesus, I really need to, like, you know, change these headlights. They're so foggy. But anyways, the car is like really, really clean, regardless of the burnt battery over there and the nasty freaking yellow headlights. But the inside, amazing. See, look at that. Yeah, look at that. I even got my custom Mercedes Benz floor mats, which came with the car as well. But has a shifter, and let me tell you, this shifter, man. Hold on. Let me get inside. Okay, so let me tell you, this shifter literally feels like you're holding a baseball and shifting with it. So like, if you have a baseball in your house or something, grab it and then pretend to shift. Like, it's huge. For what? Like, why is it so freaking big? Pause. But like, I'm not kidding. Like, look, this is my hand, right? Like, look at that. It's freaking huge. It is humongous, man. Bro, pause. That sounds so wrong. Well, anyways, inside, super clean, right? Don't mind my chips, but super clean, right? Back seats as well. Nice. You know, pointless back seats. Steering wheel, stock, OEM. Everything is in order. But we are going to drive it a little bit for you guys could hear the exhaust from inside and outside. All right, so let's get this show on the road. Let me give you like a little quick blip of the gas, or like the throttle, while we're outside for you can hear it. It sounds good. It sounds pretty good. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be like super hard to like drive and record at the same time because I have, you know, this huge ass camera. Damn, hold on, let me put on my seatbelt. Safety is our number one priority. All right, but here we go. Let's see what we could do. Woo. People are gonna look at me like, bro, what is my man's doing? Sheesh. Let's make a right before we could hear some pops. My goodness. Oh my God, there's a whole freaking... Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh my God, bro. This is insane. Oh my God. Here, let me switch over to the GoPro real quick.